children, today we are going to learn bird's name. Okay, let's start. I am a parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Parrot means tota. I am a pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. Pigeon means kabutar. I am a sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. Sparrow means goraiya. I am an owl. O-W-L. Owl. Owl means ullu. I am a duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Duck means batak. I am a swan. S-W-A-N. Swan. Swan means Hans. I am a nightingale. N-I-G-H-T-I-N-G-A-L-E. Nightingale. Nightingale means bulbul. I am a crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. Crow means kawa. I am a peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Peacock means more. I am an ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. Ostrich means shuturmurg. I am a penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguin. I am a vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R-E. Vulture. Vulture means gidh. I am a crane. C-R-A-N-E. Crane. Crane means saras. I am an eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle.